Social media has become a big part of our lives. With the rise of social media apps such as Instagram and Snapchat, the high speed of information sharing has increased, so much so that even younger people are on social media. With all the news, opinions, it's hard to know what platform is best for you. In this post, I will be discussing the top 5 preferred social media platforms for Generation Z. 1. Instagram. Many people are wondering what the top 5 preferred social media platforms are for Generation Z. Instagram is the top social media platform, with Facebook coming in second. YouTube and Snapchat are the third and fourth most popular platforms, respectively. Twitter and Tumblr are the fifth and sixth most popular platforms, respectively. 2. Snapchat. Snapchat is a popular social media platform for Generation Z. It is perfect for those who want to share their life with friends and family on the go. It is simple and easy to use, and most of all, it is fun. Facebook is the preferred social media platform for Generation Z. They are the most likely to use this platform as well as the most likely to be on it at any given time. They are also the most likely to use Snapchat, Instagram, and YouTube. They also use Twitter, but not as often as the other 4 platforms. The following are 5 of the most preferred social media platforms for Generation Z. 1. Facebook 2. Snapchat 3. Instagram 4. YouTube 5. Twitter 4. Twitter. Twitter is the preferred social media platform for Generation Z. They are young and active on social media, and they don't feel the need to switch platforms as much as older generations. They also have a lot of access to the internet and are able to use social media platforms at a very young age. Twitter is also a platform that is easy to use, and they have a lot of features that make it a desirable platform. They also have a lot of celebrities that use Twitter, and that makes it more appealing to young people.